Happy morning, students. Today we are going to see a topic similar triangle. It is in unit 4 geometry. First, you have to know about congruency and similarity of triangles. So, congruent triangles and similar triangles. So, can choose a triangle and named it as ABC, and we have another one triangle and named it as PQR. So in both the triangles, angle A we named it as 1, and similarly for the second triangle, angle P is also 1. Then angle B is 2, the next triangle angle Q is 2, and the third angle C, and the third angle in the second triangle is R. So triangle ABC is congruent to triangle PQR. So angle A is equal to angle P, angle B is equal to angle Q, angle C is equal to angle C is equal to angle R. Then AB is equal to PQ, BC is equal to QR, and CA is equal to RP. So AB by PQ is equal to BC by QR is equal to CA by RP, which is equal to 1. So same shape and same size. That is congruent triangle. So next we are going to see similar triangle. So we are taking one triangle and named it as ABC, and another one triangle that is PQR. So angle A is 1, angle P is also 1. Angle B is 2, angle Q is also 2. Angle C is 3, angle R is also 3. That is, triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR. Angle A is equal to angle P, angle B is equal to angle Q, and angle C is equal to angle R. But AB is not equal to PQ, BC is not equal to QR, and CA is also not equal to RP. So AB by PQ is equal to BC by QR is equal to CA by RP is greater than 1 or less than 1. So same shape but not same size. So these are the difference between congruent triangles and similar triangles. Next, criteria of similarity. So we can see two triangle, and triangle in first triangle angle A is 1 and angle P is also 1, angle B is and angle Q also 2. If two angles of one triangle are respectively equal to two angles of another two triangle, then the two triangles are similar because the third angle in both the triangles must be equal. Therefore, angle similarity criteria is same as the angle similarity criterion. So therefore, angle A is equal to angle B, and angle B is equal to angle Q. Therefore, triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR. SAS criterion of similar triangle or similarity. So we are choosing two triangles, so ABC, and another one triangle is PQR. So angle A and angle R is same, and the side of AB and side of QR is same. Then side of AC and side of RP is also having same measurement. If one angle of a triangle is equal to one angle of another triangle, and if the sides including them are proportional, then the two triangles are similar. So angle A is equal to angle P is equal to 1. AB by PQ is equal to AC by PR. Therefore, triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR. side criterion of similarity. So as usual we are taking two triangles and name the triangles as ABC and PQR. So here AB is equal to PQ and BC is equal to QR, AC is equal to PR. So if three sides of a triangle are proportional to the three corresponding sides of another triangle, then the two triangles are similar. Results on similar triangles. So ABC is a triangle, it is right angled at B, and draw one perpendicular line BD through AC. A perpendicular line drawn from the vertex of a right angled triangle divides the triangle into two triangles similar to each other and also to original triangle. So triangle ADC is similar to triangle BDC. Triangle ABC is similar to triangle ADB. And triangle ABC is similar to BDC. If two triangles are similar, then the ratio of the corresponding sides are equal to the ratio of their corresponding altitudes. So we can see DEF are the midpoints of AC, BC and AB respectively. Similarly, PQR is another triangle and STU are the midpoints of PR, QR and PQ respectively. So, triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR. So, AB by PQ is equal to BC by QR is equal to CA by RP is equal to AD by PS is equal to BE by QT is equal to CF by RU. Then third one, if two triangles are similar, then the ratio of the corresponding sides are equal to the ratio of their corresponding perimeters. So we know here we have two triangles ABC and DEF. So in this A and D are angle 1, B and E are angle 2, C and F are angle C. So triangle ABC is similar to triangle DEF. So AB by DE is equal to BC by EF is equal to CA by FD, which is equal to AB by AB plus BC plus CA by DE plus EF plus FD. The ratio of the area of two similar triangles are equal to the ratio of the squares of the corresponding sides. So we can see two triangles. So area of a triangle ABC by area of a triangle PQR is equal to AB square by PQ square, which is equal to BC square by QR square, which is equal to AC square by PR square. Fifth one, if two triangles have common vertex and their bases on the same straight line, the ratio between their areas is equal to the ratio between the length of their bases. So ABC is a triangle, it is right angled at B, and D is the BD is the perpendicular line to AC. So area of a triangle ABD divided by area of a triangle BDC is equal to AD by DC. So definition 1. Two triangles are said to be similar if their corresponding sides are proportional. And definition 2. The triangles are equiangular if the corresponding angles are equal. So triangle XYZ and triangle LMN. Two triangles are similar because the corresponding angles are equal. So angle X and L is 1, Y and M is angle 2, Z and N is angle 3. So angle X is equal to angle L, angle Y is equal to angle M, angle Z is equal to angle N. Then XY by LM is equal to YZ by MN is equal to XZ by LN. So triangle XYZ is similar to triangle LMN. Here the vertices XYZ corresponding to the vertices LMN respectively. Now we are moving to worked examples. Example 4.1. Show that a triangle PST is similar to a triangle PQR. So this is the given figure. In triangle PST is similar to triangle PQR. So PS by PQ is equal to 2 divided by PQ value is 2 plus 1, which is equal to 2 by 3. Then PT by PR is equal to 4 divided by 4 plus 2 is 6. So which is equal to 4 by 6. If you cancelling, you get the value 2 by 3. Therefore, PS by PQ is equal to PT by PR. And angle P is common. Therefore, by side angle side similarity, a triangle PST is similar to triangle PQR. Second subdivision. So in a triangle PST is similar to triangle PQR. So PS by PQ is equal to 2 divided by PQ value is 2 plus 3 is 5, which is equal to 2 by 5. Next, PT by PR is equal to 2 divided by 2 plus 3 is also 5. So which is equal to 2 by 5. Therefore, PS by PQ is equal to PT by PR. And angle P is common. By side angle side similarity, triangle PST is similar to triangle PQR. Next one is example 4.2. This triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR. So in a triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR, PQ by AB is equal to 3 divided by 6. If you cancel, you get 1 by 2. Then we are taking the next side, that is QR by BC, which is equal to 4 by 10. You get 2 by 5. Since 1 by 2 is not equal to 2 by 5, so PQ by AB is not equal to QR by BC. The corresponding sides are not proportional. Therefore, triangle ABC is not similar to triangle PQR. Next one is example 4.3. Observe figure 4.18 and find angle P. So here the given figure, you have two triangles ABC and PQR with respective measurements is given. So in a triangle ABC and a triangle PQR, AB by RQ is equal to 3 divided by RQ is 6, which is equal to 1 by 2, and BC by QP is equal to 6 divided by 12, which is equal to 1 by 2. Then AB by RQ is equal to BC by QP is equal to CA by PR. Therefore, by side similarity, triangle BAC is similar to triangle QRP. So in triangle ABC, angle A is equal to 90 degree, angle B is equal to 60 degree, angle A plus B plus C is equal to 180 degree, because sum of the angles of a triangle is equal to 180 degree. So 90 degree plus 60 degree plus angle C is equal to 180 degree. So 150 degree plus angle C is equal to 180 degree. Angle C is equal to 180 degree minus 150 degree. So angle C is equal to 30 degree. Therefore, angle C is equal to angle P is equal to 30 degree. Next example 4.4. A boy of height 90 centimeter is walking away from the base of a lamp post at a speed of 1.2 meter per second. If the lamppost is 3.6 meter above the ground, find the length of its shadow cast after 4 seconds. So AB is the height of the lamppost, 3.6. So a boy is walking away from the base of the lamppost. So the height of the boy is 90 centimeter. So you can see a shadow of the boy. So join the lines, you get a triangle ABE. So let AB be the height of the lamppost. AB is equal to 3.6 meter. CD be the height of the boy. So CD is equal to 90 centimeter. CD is equal to 90 by 100 meter, which is implies CD is equal to 0.9 meter. So CE is be the height of the CE be the length of the shadow of the boy. So walking speed of the boy is 1.2 meter per second. So speed is equal to distance by time. So distance is equal to speed into time. The distance travelled by the boy in 4 seconds is equal to 4 into 1.2, which is equal to 4.8 meter. So in a triangle ECD and a triangle EAB, CD is parallel to AB. So angle ECD is equal to angle EAB. Corresponding angles. So corresponding angles are equal. So angle E is equal to angle E is the common angle. So by angle criteria of similarity, triangle ECD is similar to triangle EAB. So EC by EA is equal to CD by AB, which is implies EC by 4.8 plus EC is equal to 0.9 by 3.6, which is implies EC by 4.8 plus EC is equal to 9 by 36. EC by 4.8 plus EC is equal to 1 by 4. The next step is cross multiplication. So 4EC is equal to 4.8 plus EC. 4EC minus EC is equal to 4.8. 3EC is equal to 4.8. EC is equal to 4.8 by 3, which is implies EC is equal to 1.6 meter. Example 4.5. Example 4.5 in figure 4.20, angle A is equal to angle CED. Prove that triangle CAB is similar to triangle CED. Also find the value of x. So this is a given figure. In a triangle ABC and a triangle PQR, and angle C is common. So angle A is equal to angle CED is given. By angle criterion of similarity, triangle CAB is similar to triangle CED. So CA by CE is equal to AB by DE is equal to CB by CD. AB by DE is equal to CB by CD, which is implies AB value is 9 by DE is X. Then which is equal to CB is nothing but CE plus EB. So 10 plus 2 by CD is 8. 9 by X is equal to 12 by 8, which is implies X by 9 is equal to 8 by 12. Then the next step is cross multiplication. So X is equal to 8 by 12 into 9. So you cancelling 9 and 12, you get 3 and 4. Again cancelling 4 and 8, you get 2. Therefore, the value of X is equal to 6 centimeter. Example 4.6. In the figure 4.21, QA and PP are perpendiculars to AB. If AO is equal to 10 centimeter, BO is equal to 6 centimeter and PB is equal to 9 centimeter, find AQ. So in a triangle AOQ and triangle BOP, angle OAQ is equal to angle OBP, which is equal to 90 degree. Then angle AOQ is equal to angle BOP. Vertically opposite angles are equal. So by angle criterion of similarity, triangle AOQ is similar to triangle BOP. So AO by BO is equal to OQ by OP, which is equal to AQ by BP. So AO by BO is equal to AQ by BP, which is implies 10 divided by 6, which is equal to AQ by BP is 9. So which is implies AQ is equal to 10 by 6 into 9. So 2 times, 3 times, again 2 and 10 cancel means 5 times. So the value of AQ is equal to 15 centimeter. Example 4.7. The perimeters of two similar triangles ABC and PQR are respectively 36 centimeter and 24 centimeter. If PQ is equal to 10 centimeter, find AB. So the ratio of the corresponding sides of a similar triangle is same as the ratio of the perimeters. Since triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR, so AB by PQ is equal to BC by QR is equal to AC by PR, which is equal to 36 by 24. Therefore, AB by PQ is equal to 36 by 24, which is implies AB by PQ value is 10, which is equal to 36 by 24. So, AB is equal to 36 by 24 into 10. 36 and 24 gets cancelled 6 times and 4 times. Again 4 and 6 gets cancelled 2 times, 3 times. Again 2 and 10 gets cancelled 5 times. Therefore, the value of AB is equal to 15 centimeter. Example 4.8. If ABC is similar to triangle DEF such that BC is equal to 3 centimeter, EF is equal to 4 centimeter and area of a triangle ABC is equal to 54 centimeter square. Find the area of a triangle DEF. So since the ratio of a area of two similar triangles is equal to the ratio of the square of any two corresponding sides. We see this result before. Then area of a triangle ABC by area of a triangle DEF is equal to BC square by EF square, which is implies 54 by area of a triangle ADE is equal to 3 square by 4 square. So 54 by area of a triangle ADE is equal to 9 by 16, which is implies area of a triangle ADE by 54 is equal to 16 by 9. So area of a triangle ADE is equal to 16 by 9 into 54, which is implies after cancelling 9 and 54 you get 6. So area of a triangle ADE is equal to 96 centimeter square. Example 4.9. Two poles of height A meters and B meters or P meters apart. Prove that the height of the point of intersection of the lines joining the top of each pole to the foot of the opposite pole is given by AB divided by A plus B meters. So this is the given figure. Let AB and CD be the two poles of height A meters and B meters respectively, such that the poles are P meters apart, that is capital AC is equal to P meters. Suppose the lines AD and BC meet at O, such that OL is equal to H meters. Let CL is equal to X and LA is equal to Y. Then x plus y is equal to p. So in a triangle ABC and a triangle LOC, angle CAB is equal to angle CLO is equal to 90 degree. So angle C is common. So triangle CAB is similar to triangle CLO by angle similarity. So CA by CL is equal to AB by LO, which is implies P by X is equal to A by H. So X by P is equal to H by A. X is equal to PH by A, which is your equation number 1. Then in a triangle ALO and a triangle ACD, angle ALO is equal to angle ACD is equal to 90 degree. So angle A is common. So triangle ALO is similar to triangle ACD by angle similarity. AL by AC is equal to OL by DC, which is implies Y by P is equal to H by B. Y is equal to PH by B, which is your equation number 2. Adding equation 1 and 2, X plus Y is equal to PH by A plus PH by P. We know that the value of X plus Y is equal to P. So P is equal to PH by A plus PH by B, which is implies P is equal to PH into 1 by A plus 1 by B. So 1 P gets cancelled. So 1 is equal to H into 1 by A plus 1 by B, which is implies 1 is equal to H into A plus B by AB. Therefore, H is equal to AB by A plus B. Hence, the height of the intersection of the lines joining the top of each pole to the foot of the opposite pole is AB by A plus B meters. Why we are directly moving to exercise 4.1 first problem means the remaining 2 example problem is a geometry. So first of all, we finished all the problems in exercise 4.1. Then we will see the example problem geometry as well as exercise problem in geometry. So problem number 1, check whether which triangles are similar and find the values of x. So let us consider the triangles AED and ACB. If two triangles are similar, then the ratio of its corresponding sides will be equal. To verify, AE by AC is equal to AD by AB. So AC is equal to AE plus EC, which is implies AC is equal to the value of AE is 2 plus EC is 3 into 1 by 2. So AC is equal to 5 1 by 2, which is implies AC is equal to 11 by 2. So AB is equal to AD plus DB, which is implies AB is equal to AD value is 3 plus DB value is 5. So AB is equal to 8. So AE by AC is equal to 2 divided by 11 by 2, which is implies AE by AC is equal to 2 into 2 by 11. AE by AC is equal to 4 by 11, which is your equation number 1. Then AD by AB is equal to 3 by 5. Sorry, here AB value is 8. So 3 by 8, which is your equation number 2. Hence, 4 by 11 is not equal to 3 by 8. Hence, AE by AC is not equal to AD by AB. So, the triangle AED and ACB are not similar. Again, I am recalling that here in equation 2, AB is not equal to 5, it is equal to 8. So, second subdivision, find the value of x in the picture given below. So, this is the picture, you have to find the value of x in that is PQ. So, in a triangle PQC, triangle PQC is equal to 180 degree minus 110 degree. So triangle PQC is equal to 70 degree. Now let us consider the triangle ABC and PQC. So triangle ABC is equal to triangle PQC. Angle ABC is equal to angle PQC and angle ACB is equal to angle PCQ. By using angle criterion, the above triangle are similar. Hence, the ratio of their corresponding sides will be equal. So, AB by PQ is equal to BC by QC, which is implies phi by x is equal to BQ plus QC by QC, which is implies phi by x is equal to 3 plus 3 by 3, which is implies x by 3 is equal to 6 by 3. Phi by x is equal to 2. Therefore, 2x is equal to 5. X is equal to 5 by 2. Therefore, the value of x is equal to 2.5. Problem number 2. A girl looks the reflection of the top of the lamp post on the mirror, which is 6.6 meter away from the foot of the lamp post. The girl, whose height is 1.25 meter, is standing 2.5 meter away from the mirror. Assuming the mirror is placed on the ground facing the sky and the girl mirror and the lamppost are in the same line, find the height of the lamppost. So in a triangle ABC and a triangle CED, angle ABD is equal to angle CDE. Angle BAC is equal to angle CED. By angle criteria, the above triangle are similar. So ED by CD is equal to AB by BC, which is implies x by 6.6 is equal to 1.25 by 2.5. X is equal to 6.6 into 1.25 by 2.5. Therefore, the value of x is equal to 66 into 1.25 by 25. So, if you cancelling 25 and 1.25, you get 0.05. So, therefore, the value of x is equal to 3.3 meter. That is the height of the lamp post. Problem number 4. A vertical stick of length 6 meter casts a shadow 400 centimeter long on the ground, and at the same time a tower casts a shadow 28 meter long. Using similarity, find the height of the tower. So here AB is the height of the tower. You have to find that. Then a vertical stick of length 6 meter casts a shadow of 400 centimeter along the ground of the at the same time a tower casts a shadow of 28 meter long. So now we get a two right angled triangle. So for first triangle ABC, which is right angled at B, and second we can see the smaller triangle which is right angled at D. So by using similarity, AB by ED is equal to BC by DC, which is implies AB by 6 is equal to 28 by 4. So which is implies AB by 6 is equal to 7. So AB is equal to 6 into 7. Therefore AB is equal to 42 meter. Therefore the height of the tower is 42 meter. Problem number 5. Two triangles QPR and QSR right angled at P and S respectively are drawn on the same base QR and on the same side of QR. If PR and SQ intersect at T, prove that PT into TR is equal to ST into TQ. We can see QR is the base of the triangle. Then you can see another one triangle that is also the same base QR. So now we got two triangles. We have to show that PT cross TR is equal to ST cross TQ. So in a triangles PTQ and STR, angle QPT is equal to angle RST. So angle PTQ is equal to angle STR, vertically opposite angles. So the triangles PTQ and STR are similar. PQ by SR is equal to PT by TS, which is equal to QT by RT. So PT by TS is equal to QT by RT, which is implies PT into RT is equal to QT into TS. Question number 5. In the adjacent figure, triangle ABC is right angled at C and DE is perpendicular to AB. Prove that triangle ABC is similar to triangle ADE and hence find the lengths of AE and DE. So we can see a triangle ABC. AC is 5 and BC is 12. Then we are taking another triangle ADE. So which is right angled at E. So AB square is equal to BC square plus AC square by using Pythagoras theorem. So AB square is equal to 12 square plus 5 square, which is implies AB square is equal to 144 plus 25. AB square is equal to 169. Therefore, AB is equal to 13. So in a triangle ABC and EAD, angle BCA is equal to angle AED. So angle C and angle E are equal, that is 90 degree, and angle CAB is equal to angle DAE. So the triangle ABC and EAD are similar. So BC by EA is equal to CA by ED is equal to AB by EAD, which is implies 12 by EA, which is equal to 5 by ED is equal to 13 by 3. So 12 by EA is equal to 13 by 3, 5 by ED is equal to 13 by 3, which is implies 12 into 3 by 13 is equal to EA, 5 into 3 by 13 is equal to ED. So EA is equal to 36 by 13, ED is equal to 15 by 13. Problem number 6. In the adjacent figure, triangle ACB is similar to triangle APQ. If BC is equal to 8 cm, PQ is equal to 4 cm, BA is equal to 6.5 cm and AP is equal to 2.8 cm. So find CA and AQ. Since the triangle ACB and APQ are similar, BC is equal to 8 cm, PQ is equal to 4 cm, BA is equal to 6.5 cm and AB is equal to 2.8 cm. BC by PQ is equal to AC by PA is equal to AB by AQ. So 8 by 4 is equal to AC by 2.8, which is equal to 6.5 by AQ. So 2 is equal to AC by 2.8 is equal to 6.5 by AQ. 2 is equal to AC by 2.8, cross multiplication. Then 2 is equal to 6.5 by AQ. So AC is equal to 5.6 and AQ is equal to 6.5 by 2. The value of AQ is 3.25. So now we find the value of AC or CA and AQ. Problem number 7. If the figure OPRQ is a square and angle MLN is equal to 90 degree, prove that first subdivision triangle LOP is similar to triangle QMO, and second subdivision triangle LOP is similar to triangle RPN, and third subdivision triangle QMO is similar to triangle RPN, and fourth subdivision is QR square is equal to MQ into RN. So first one, triangle LOP is similar to triangle QMO. So in a triangles LOP and a triangle QMO, angle OMQ is equal to angle LOP. So corresponding angles are equal. Angle MQO is equal to angle OLP, right angles, because Q and L are right angles. Hence the above triangles are similar. Then second subdivision, triangle LOP is similar to triangle RPN. So in a triangle LOP and triangle RPN, angle PNR is equal to angle LPO, because angle N and angle P are equal, because corresponding angles. Then angle PRN is equal to angle OLP, because L and R are 90 degree. That is right angles. Hence, the above triangles are similar. Then third subdivision, triangle OMQ is similar to triangle RPN. So in both the triangles OQM and PRN, we have Q is 90 degree, R is also 90 degree. So if we choose M as X, then the third angle will be definitely 90 minus X. The same procedure will be followed in the second triangle. So angle OQM is equal to angle PRN, right angles. Angle QOM is equal to angle PNR. So angle OMQ is equal to angle RPN. Hence, the above two triangles are similar. Fourth one, QR square is equal to MQ into RN. So we see a triangle LMN which is right angled at L. So we choose M as X angle. So we get the third angle is 90 degree minus X. So by similarity, OM by PN is equal to OQ by RN is equal to MQ by PR. So next step is you can do the cross multiplication. So OQ into PR is equal to MQ into RN. Since OQ is equal to PR is equal to QR, so we can replace PR into QR. So QR into QR is equal to MQ into RN, which is implies QR square is equal to MQ into RN. Problem number 8. If triangle ABC is similar to triangle DEF such that area of a triangle ABC is 9 cm square, then the area of a triangle DEF is 16 cm square and BC is equal to 2.1 cm. Find the length of EF. Since the ratio of the area of two similar triangles is equal to the ratio of the square of any two corresponding sides, we have area of a triangle ABC by area of a triangle DEF is equal to BC square by EF square, which is implies 9 by 16 is equal to 2.1 square by EF square. So EF square is equal to 4.41 into 16 by 9. So EF is equal to root of that value. You get EF is equal to 2.1 into 4 by 3, which is equal to, you get the value of EF is equal to 2.8 centimeter. Problem number 8. Two vertical poles of height 6 meter and 3 meter are erected above a horizontal ground AC. Find the value of y. So in a triangle PAC and a triangle QBC, angle PAC is equal to angle QBC, that is angle A and angle B is 90 degree, and angle PCA is equal to angle QCB is a common angle. The triangle PAC is similar to triangle QBC. Therefore, QB by BA is equal to BC by AC, which is implies y by 6 is equal to BC by AC. This is equation number 1. In a triangle RCA and triangle QBA, we see that angle RCA is equal to angle QBA is equal to 90 degree, and angle A is common to both the triangle. So QB by RC is equal to BA by AC, which is implies y by 3 is equal to BA by EC, which is equation number 2. So adding equation 1 and 2, we get y by 6 plus y by 3 is equal to BC by AC plus BA by AC, which is implies y plus 2y by 6 is equal to BC plus BA by AC. 3y by 6 is equal to AC by AC. So y by 2 is equal to 1, which is implies y is equal to 2. So that's all students. Up to this worked out example as well as exercise 4.1 problems are over. So next video we are going to see a geometry in exercise 4.1 as well as an example problem. Thank you students. Have a nice day.